Easy yourself, though, man.
Yo, why the pod?
Say them not pretend, that's why me drive with my car tint up. No, me not trust them. No one apart, me no one link up.
Bossy, you know Chilani there?
I don't know which line.
If you know Chilani there, Bossy.
Boss, I don't know which line.
Mama,
Oi!
you know Chilani there?
Come let me tell you.
Yeah, what Chilani there?
You go up the road there, so?
Mhm.
You go see one blue house?
Yeah.
But it paint pink.
Pink.
Yeah, you go see one dog in a yard. That one really cute, see it? One cat in a yard. But
Ah, Mama, you hear me say no? Me know you tell me all them things. Cause me got Chilani later. You see that box here?
yeah.
Magic box.
When you?
Magic box.
Alright.
Magic box, you know hear about? Mama, yes or no? Oh! Box, man. Look at it. You see? How much money have you in your pocket now?
Me have $50.
Yeah, $50.
Yeah.
You see the drop upon it. Any amount of life post your account and come back, and that amount of money you get. So what you know? Mama stop nothing on my business.
Still want to know which line.
You, no, hold on, me soon come to you. Just check right. Mama, drop 50 in our box and go and count life post.
You serious?
Yeah, me serious as God.
Let me see in my box first.
What you want to see in my box, sir?
Alright.
Just drop it. Give me it. Cause you have people. Go on, hurry up.
Watch him for me, yeah.
He might watch, man. He might watch. Mama, hurry up, man.
Yeah, come.
You know the money for you either.
Nah,
Not even $1. You know nothing in your pocket. How about this, sir? Drop in.
so what am I dropping now?
Drop, yeah, you know what money too. Any amount of life post and count, brother. And that amount of money you get, you know what money? You look hungry too. Yes, the man and drop in it. Drop in it. Hurry up, man. Oh! Drop in it, man. Hurry up, man. Jesus is Lord. So what you go and count the life post them now? Count any amount of life post you want. Any life post you want. Alright, go on, man. Go on. Boy, I never know say Jamaican people so don't stay fool me, man. I know bingo, no.
Where man?
No, you say man did that.
Man, I
Me
can't.
never test me watch him.
Man, can't.
You idiot.
Man, could have gone up.
You idiot. More money. Get money.
But then me can't bingo like yesterday. Eh, to eat that me woke up and look.
Oh. Let me shut that me call me.
Bossy, you know what I'm saying? Me watch them.
Matter man shoot me self.
Bossy, nobody kill yourself. Nobody cut off your throat.
Yo, why the fuck?
Easy yourself, man.
Yo, why the pod?
Why the fuck? He's not.
Now make sure you subscribe to Eat Boss channel, let's eat, and go down there so and click the red button there and make sure you say when click the bell, invite all of the girl them, your family member and share to your friend them too. Cause you know we love the crowd, let's eat, yeah. We have to show them a video for them watching. Yeah, a new year. We need to subscribe.